Hello everyone, this is Sam from Tech Studios. In this video, I want to tell about basic fundamentals of mask and why we should use mask. Generally in Photoshop we could work with destructive method and non-destructive method. Destructive method means if you erase or change something on your layer, you cannot go back unless just undo that moment. For example, if I select eraser and start to remove this layer, let me hide the background, you will see your layer is removing and you see the background. Checker is mean transparent. You cannot go back unless just undo that by Ctrl Z or go edit menu and select undo layer. If for example you do that and save the file and close it and reopen later, you cannot undo that, and this is destructive method, so you cannot go back. But instead of this method, we could use mask as non-destructive method. How to work? Very easy. On the layer panel, select the mask icon while your layer is selected. You will see small thumbnails appear here. If you see very small layers, click on the flyout menu here, panel options, and you can select small, medium or large. Alright. You see currently the mask layer is white and you will see your layer. So that's mean white is 100% opaque or visible. Let me switch to colors and set the black for foreground color. I select brush or press B from your keyboard. Now start drawing. See what's happening? Similar to eraser, your layer getting hide. But in this method you can go back your edits. See what happened on the mask layer? You see the black paint on the white. So if I switch again or press X to swap and start drawing, your layer go visible again. If you want to go to the mask mode, just hold on the Alt key or Option key on the Mac and click on thumbnail of mask. Now you will see the mask. I press X again to bring black color as a foreground. Now drawing, you will see that, right? Hold on the Option or Alt again and click on the mask, you will see the result. This is the basic fundamental of the mask. However, you can do a lot of things with that. Let me remove the mask, drag the mask on the trash and select delete. If you select apply, you will remove the whole layer, but just select delete. While your layer is selected, select mask again, brush. This time I select the gray color to see what's happening. Start drawing. As you see, you did not remove or hide the entire pixels of the layer. Actually this is semi-transparent. Why? Because we drawn with gray. So white is mean totally you will see the layer. Gray is mean semi-transparent, and black is mean totally invisible. So with that technique we could create a lot of things. For example, let me select gradient, black to white, and start drawing. See what happened? From transparent going to opaque. Why? Because our mask made like that. You know, if you go to the image adjustment, and invert or control I, your colors and lightness will invert it. So if I control I, this side will be black and this side will be white. Let's go to the layer mode and now control I. See what happens? Also, by default, your layer and your mask layer are linked together. That's mean if I move the layer, your mask and your layer will move together. But if you click on this little chain icon, they will unlink. So I could select the mask and move the mask easily. See what's happening? Actually, you're moving the gradient. See? Let's remove the mask and create mask again. Brush, and I draw something. So how can I invert it? Easily. Make sure you selected the mask and press Ctrl I. Unlock the link and select your layer thumbnail and move it. Very easy. Let me remove once more the mask. This time I want to remove background with mask option. There is several ways to do that. First way, select your object or your background. For example, I select the white colors, and currently this part of layer selected. We want to invert that. We can go to the select menu and click inverse or shift Ctrl I. Now our layer selected here, and easily click on the mask option. You see, you remove the background very easily. This is transparent. Another way, if you selected invert, something like that, again, let me this time select magic wand. Okay. Your selection is inverted. Instead of going to select, inverse it, and create mask, easily hold on the Alt key or Option key on the Mac and click on the mask. Easily make your mask inverted. What that mean? If I select the half side of the document and create a mask, you see the selected part remain as white and other part is black. Let's undo that. This time if I hold on the Alt key and click on the mask, will reverse. It is nothing special. After even creating your mask, easily you can press Ctrl I to invert that. It's nothing so hard. Let's remove your mask. I want to also practice a different technique for this. Press Ctrl A or go to the select menu, Ctrl A to select all layer, and edit copy or Ctrl C to copy your layer. Create a mask. You cannot directly copy your layer into the mask. If I press Ctrl V, as you see your layer copied, not into the mask. So let's undo that. You should go to the mask mode first. So hold on the Alt key or Option key on the Mac. Click on the mask. Now you see the mask mode. Press Ctrl V. Now I paste the layer into the mask. As you realize, in the mask we don't have any color information, only lightness. You can press Alt and click on the mask. You see this time, because our layer, these parts are gray and these parts are white, So the white part is totally visible and gray part is semi-visible. So what can I do? First of all, I could press Ctrl I, right? If I press Ctrl I, your image information will be inverse. Now see what happened? You will see your layer a bit better. You can easily duplicate your layer by Ctrl J, but I don't want to do that. I want to edit mask. How? Let's go on the mask mode to see better what's going on. Go to the image, adjustment and level, or press Ctrl L. On the level, right side is about lighten, left side is about darken or shadows, and center is midtone. If I move the right side to the left side, your light parts will go lighter and lighter. You see? Also you can do with midtone and left. Let's say this is fine. Okay. Alt click. You see what happened? You see the apple without the background. But this part we have problem. Why? Because these parts still remain dark or black. We can easily fix that. Select brush, white color, and draw it. Yes, see what's happening? Easily fix it. So nothing special. I draw these. If I draw gradient, for example, the background layer, you will see this is fully transparent. Alright, let's do another practice. This is not the best way, but I'm just showing as the power of a mask. I bring a glass image, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, create a mask, hold on the Alt and click, paste, and go back. Deselect and press Ctrl I. You will see it's already we see the transparency. If you want to see more, press Ctrl L and midtone or light side we could tweak it a bit. This is not very good technique, but easily you can use for some transparency information. For example, if I bring some background image into that, you will see generally in comparison of time it is acceptable. Thank you.